Today we're going to learn all about probability. Probability is simply percentages, the likelihood something's going to happen. So let's think about looking at our first table. What is the probability of someone preferring soda A? In that case, we're going to take the number of people who prefer soda A and divide it by the total. So we'll see 18 people prefer soda A divided by 53. So we go out 2 decimal places. So we can say there's a 34% chance of randomly selecting someone who likes soda A. And if we want someone who doesn't like soda A, so this would mean not A, then we're going to add up all the people who don't like soda A. That's everybody else. This is called the complement. So this will be 35 divided by 53, which gives us a probability of 0.66. So there's a 66% chance of randomly selecting someone who doesn't like soda A. Now let's look at table 2. We can do this with two-way tables as well. Here I'm going to think about what's the probability of selecting a female who is going to college. So what's the probability of selecting someone who's female and college bound? This symbol right here means and. So I'm only going to look at people who are both female and going to college. So I see 13 people meet those requirements out of the total 52. So there's a 25% chance, or 25% of the population is female and going to college. Now I could also calculate what percent of people are female or going to college. So this symbol means or. So I need all the people who are female and all the people that are college bound. So I'm looking at all the people who are going to college and all of the females. Notice this group is double counted. They're part of the college bound and female group. So there's 2 ways to get this. I can add up the total. So I can add up the number of females, which is 22, and the number of college bounds, and then subtract the people who are both, because I don't want to double count. Or I can just circle each category. You can do that same thing, and you should get the exact same answer. So 73% of our population is either female or college bound. There's also one last notation. This notation is given notation. So what's the probability we select someone who's college bound given they're female? Given. So that means we already know we're only looking at females. We've now zoomed in and we're only looking at females. So this is our new denominator. So out of the 22 females available for us to study, 13 of them are going to college. So we can say 59% of females are college bound. To summarize, this means and, this means or, And this means given, where your denominator will change.